Starting off day 4 with nice cold Perrier, half-caff coffee. Alright, today's agenda, breakfast is going to be granola cereal, and then one of my snacks will be white cheddar popcorn. My lunch will be loaded mashed potatoes with cheddar cheese and bacon. I'm looking forward to this. And I'm really looking forward to chocolate cake. Even though DJ Bishop said he didn't like it, I still think it's going to be good. So, breakfast time. Mix your cereal with a half cup fat-free milk. I got my half cup here. I don't have skim milk, but I have 1% low fat. So we're going to use that. So, like a bowl of granola. Normally for breakfast I would have 2 bowls of Raisin Bran Crunch, sometimes followed up by a donut. So, and when I say a donut, I mean 2 donuts. So, this is definitely a smaller breakfast than I normally have. It's good though. Just tastes like sweet granola. Oh yeah. I add my app. NUMI. Breakfast entree. Skin food. I'm gonna love it. My power fuel, I'm gonna have hard-boiled egg again. So I'm gonna have plus on the power fuel. If I go to my recents, I should be able to find a hard-boiled egg on here. There we go. Right there. And love it. Alright, that was easy. Alright, so you got snack time. Alright, it's lunchtime. Having a V8. A little cheese guy for my power fuel. My lunch is loaded potato. So, shake container, remove the lid, add 5 ounces of water, and then microwave for 45 seconds. After the microwave, stir it, cover it tightly with aluminum foil. That didn't work. Smells like that popcorn. So you see, it's just powdered flakes. My wife already started one, and we got 2 minutes left for. I've already taken it out and covered it in aluminum foil. I know it's 2 o'clock. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to pause this for a minute, and then we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so here's the one out of the microwave before it's been stirred. And you stir it up some, and then you're supposed to cover it. So here's me covering it. Now my time's up for my 4 minutes on my other one. And then we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. Still a little powdery. Get in there good and mix it up. Take this foil off. Alright, cover this guy up. So this one's for me, one's for my wife. We're doing the same plan. Start our 4-minute timer. Alright, so here is cooked one. Tastes good, real good. Yeah, it's a little drier than regular mashed potatoes, of course, but overall, pretty good. Here you go. Got that thumbs up. I'll gladly eat that again. Alright. So yeah, it's snack time. I had popcorn earlier. Although I'm tired of that popcorn. I went to Walmart and bought these. Hopefully I like this better than that popcorn. But my wife likes popcorn. Alright. That's all. Alright, here's the exciting time. I have my evening snack. For dinner, I had chefed balsamic chicken and green beans and tomatoes. This guy, it was pretty good. And then I had these little oranges from Smart Cart. And water-wise, I'm doing pretty good. Green beans, and then there are tomatoes in there as well, cherry tomatoes. And so that's my vegetables. Dinner, my power fuel was chicken breast, smart carb, and I had 2 chicken breasts. Alright, I'll worry about that later. Water, I'm drinking my final 16 ounces. And what I'm going to do now, scan the snack in. Let's hit the plus sign. Scan food. Evening snack. Log it. Those are pretty good looking. I will say, we're liking this so much, we went to Walmart and we got a turbo pack that I'm probably going to try out next week. $44 for that. Alright, back to the day at hand here. Here's the chocolate cake. I think DJ Bishop said he didn't like this, but it feels pretty soft. That's fantastic. I don't know why you wouldn't like that. Tastes just like regular. It's like a super soft brownie. Yep. 2 thumbs up there. Alright. That's all for today. Check in tomorrow. Alright. this is why I need this app. So my smart card was my mandarin oranges. And so I guess I missed the power fuel. I had two chicken. I ended up chicken breasts. I counted as 2 power fuels, but I don't know if that counts as a third. I had cottage cheese earlier as a snack. I got some Dean's 1% milk fat, and I measured it out. So granola for breakfast, hard-boiled egg, white cheddar popcorn, loaded potato, little cheese snack, cottage cheese, a banana, and then, like I said, I didn't get a power fuel, so I'm gonna have a yogurt now. It doesn't scan. A lot of things don't scan. So I'm gonna have one of these guys. That should count as a yogurt. That counts as a power fuel. Alright. Tomorrow is gonna be tomorrow's a double chocolate muffin for breakfast, peanut butter bar, and salt and vinegar snack around. So that should be a pretty good day. Alright. This time I'm really done for today.